Oh no, I think this is the big one.
Breadmaker, we found the Gazoon-tight loaf.
Quickly, my ducklings, before I blast myself to bits.
Yo, Breadmaker, go long. Yeah.
Oh well, I've had a good life. Look out! I'm gonna blow!
Poor Breadmaker. He was so young. Only 6 or 7,000 years old.
We failed him, and nothing can ever bring back his big, beautiful body.
Hot soup coming through! Mom? Who bit a what now? Oh, not now, sweetie. Mama's busy. Where there's lips, there's still life. Down the hatch. Whoa!
Oh yeah! I'm my bready self again, thanks to Ma Deuce and her nasty, nasty medicine.